Okay, Nikki got a rare. Daddy got a legendary. Are you picking this time?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Close your eyes.
Did you do it?
Yeah.
Oh, you did. You picked it. Okay.
I clicked it without knowing.
Okay. Well, I don't even know which one it was. I guess when we watch the video, we'll know. What are you thinking this time?
I have no idea.
No idea. Okay. One rare, one legendary, and one... Legendary again!
We can open it.
We can open one and we can watch Goofy come to life. Okay, we'll come back to that. Because it was a dupe, we're going to open another one. And then we will unwrap one. Okay. Rare, legendary, legendary. Number 4. Then we'll watch Goofy come to life. And... another legendary! Okay, we're loading up on legendary Goofies. Which means... Alright, bud. Last one. Go for it. You have much better luck with Donald and Daisy than you did with Goofy. So we have a rare and 3 legendaries.
We really have to get a grow of Goofy.
We also need a common, right, to keep our original collection going. There he is! Common Goofy. His regular, adorable cartoon self. And there he is. I love it. Now, let's go back to our blister packs. Okay. We have 3 neon Goofies. 1573 is the highest one. So let's bring him to life. And I don't know what to expect. Here we go. Hit it. He tries to hit the ball. He misses, spins in a circle, and the ball lands on his head. That feels like a perfect Goofy way to do things.
I wish you were able to watch them do that again without unboxing.
Well, we've recorded it so we can watch it again. Right? But yes, that would be cool if you could watch the animations again and again just from within the website. No. But very cool. I like it. Donald is still my favorite unboxing of all time. That angry little tantrum that he has is the best thing ever. This is a close second. It really fits Goofy's personality really well. Very happy with that. What do you think? You like it? Okay. Silly stuff. All right, everybody. Well, that's it for now. We'll decide, right? Let's just go ahead and mark that. There. All right, we will decide where else we want to invest. Maybe we want to try to get more Donald and Daisy rares. Maybe we want to shoot for a Goofy Grail. I don't know. These will not be vaulted for quite some time, so we've got quite a while to decide when we want to get more and what we want to get more of. So we'll see. Other than that, we will talk to everybody soon enough. Thanks for watching. See ya.